How to make aloo parathas. Let's see the ingredients for it. For the dough, 2 cups of wheat flour, salt, water and oil. For the potato stuffing, 2 to 3 boiled potatoes, 3 to 4 green chilies, cumin seeds, coriander. Let's start with kneading the dough for the parathas. Take a big plate or a bowl to knead the dough. Take 2 cups of flour in it. Add salt as per your taste. Then slowly add water while mixing the flour until a nice soft dough is formed as you make for rotis. Once the dough is formed, add 1 or 2 spoons of oil and knead the dough again for a minute. Now let the dough rest for 15 to 20 minutes. As the dough is resting, let's make the aloo stuffing for the parathas. Take a bowl and add 2 to 3 boiled potatoes to it and mash them properly. Add salt as per your taste. We will add crushed cumin to the potatoes. Let's grind the cumin properly. Now we will add chopped green chilies and finely chopped coriander. And mix everything. Once everything is mixed properly, your stuffing is ready. Let's make the parathas. Take some dough and make a small ball out of it. Now flatten it with your fingers or a rolling pin. Don't roll it very thin because we need to add stuffing to it. So let's keep it a little thick. Now put some stuffing to the dough and pack it nicely from all the sides. And now we will form a round shape of it. Flatten it slightly and then coat it with dry flour. And we will roll and make parathas. As you roll the paratha, you can add more dry flour to it. Once it forms a nice round shape, and flattened fully, your paratha is ready. Let's see the rolling of paratha one more time. Now let's cook the paratha. Take an open pan or tawa which is used for making rotis. Heat it properly and then lower the gas flame to medium. Now put your paratha in the pan and cook it slightly on one side. Once it's cooked slightly on one side, flip it to the other side. Now on this side we will apply some ghee or oil. And flip it to the other side and we'll do the same. Apply ghee or oil as per your choice. Now we will cook the parathas properly on both the side until it looks golden brown on each side. Once your paratha starts to look like this on both sides, your paratha is ready. Enjoy your aloo paratha with green chutney or dahi. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more such tasty recipes. Bye.